Hello again. After we gather our forecast and we get real data, we are able to compare the difference between the offer calls and the real calls and the forecasted ones. This is the forecast that we get from our yearly forecast. All right, so now when we have real data, we are able to apply the MAPE. The MAPE means that um, we are going to do a summation of the absolute value of the actual value, the offered calls minus the forecasted calls, all of this over the actual value, that means the offered calls, and all this summation, it has to be divided by the number of observations. All right, we can do this actual minus forecasted over actual, or also forecasted minus actual over forecasted. It's a different way to do the MAPE. It's like the left and the right MAPE, okay? As long as the values stay within this scale below 20, we are going to be able and be sure that we did a good forecast. All right, so let's put hats on. So first we're going to calculate what is inside the summation, right? These absolute values. All right, so let's do it first. So abs for absolute, we're going to do this. So we got actual minus forecasted over also the forecasted one. All right, and now we're going to do the left one. So absolute of the forecasted minus the absolute, oh, sorry, the actual over the actual values. All right. Okay, so now these numbers are what's going inside the summation. So let's do the summation of those values. So we're going to use the function sum. We have to add them. All right, we already did it. And then with the function count, we are going to count those values. All right, we're going to put it on percentage, and let's do the same with the left Mape. All right, we do the summation, and now we do the count of those same values and put it as percentage. So as we can see, we don't really have a highly accurate forecast, but it can still be considered a good forecasting because we're really close to 10. So, and that's how we test if our forecast was accurate or not.